left with your head. And let's look at that range of motion. That left one. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that right side going into it. Go look again. And you can tell it stops right there, way before, just right at the point of that shoulder. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, let's adjust. Keep your arms here. Big hug. Get those shoulder blades out of the way. She is tight. All right, come towards me. Tuck your chin just a little bit. Breath in and out. Now come up a little bit and out. Good one. Okay. Relax. All right, drop your arms a little bit. Drop your arms to your side.
Oof.
Good job. All right. There you are, just like that. Okay, breath in and out. Okay. Lay on your back, right and left.
That's a lot better.
That's a lot better, yeah. Because you were kind of looking right off the front of the shoulder. Now you're almost looking off that.
Yeah.
All right, so.
And it feels better too. The neck's not sticky.